Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the adapter and IP are sane. Open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig to check addresses. Once done, release and renew the lease with ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew to force a fresh DHCP assignment. Next, open Network and Internet settings, right-click the active adapter and disable, then enable it to reinitialize drivers. These steps clear transient DHCP and driver states, so you can proceed to deeper DNS changes with a clean network foundation. Now you change the resolver to a known good public DNS. Go to IP4 properties and manually enter 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 because that isolates ISB resolver issues. After changing, flush the local cache with ipconfig/flushdens so stale records can't mislead you, and run netwinsock reset to repair corrupted socket catalog entries. Make sure to restart the network adapter or reboot so the winsock reset takes effect. Doing this ensures name resolution, uses the new settings immediately. Finish by verifying connectivity. First ping 8, 8, 8, 8 to confirm IP routing, then ping Google. Com to confirm DNS resolution. If the first works but the second fails, DNS is still the issue. Once done, temporarily disable VPN clients or third-party firewalls that can intercept DNS and test again. If problems persist, update the network driver or perform a system restore to a date when DNS worked. Key troubleshooting tip. Compare results with another device on the same network to isolate PC versus router problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.